But what is the single source of truth in this case?
So it's inside of the ERP system. So the single source of truth is, of course, it's the product data. It's what you have of your product. So it's the bill of materials, it's the drawings, it's the document you have, it's the attributes. So all the information that you really have about this product,
Hmm.
that all the data that you need for producing it suddenly is in one, from end all the way from CAD. So the CAD files is also stored inside of the PLM, all the way to the quality, the change process, the release, the test protocols, how you produce it, the as-built documentation, later on the as-main documentation, all that is done in a product lifecycle. You really
Hmm.
have it in one place and in one ecosystem. So it's not PLM alone, it's the PLM and ERP that is really tying this together, uh,
So,
making it possible.
so in a way, even though you have disparate data sources, if you will, CAD
Mhm.
drawings, and other, and that type of thing, CAM files, that sort of thing. You bring that all together in a unified interface, which, well, when your bills of material, they're stored in two places, right? And that's where that
Yeah.
integration is crucial. So Blue Star PLM brings it together and creates a seamless source of truth and takes care of all the behind the scenes. Is that a
Yes,
good
exactly.
summation?
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. It makes it sense, and it's also not only so CAD. It's mechanical CAD. It's electrical CAD.
Of
So
course. Yeah.
and in big organization nowadays, who has not been bought or buying company kind of thing,
Yeah. Sure.
then you also have the problem that you have different kind of CAD system, and that's also what we solve here, is that we really can take from all these sources into one single source of truth, and then we have the approved drawing and approved revision, no matter where they are from an
Hmm.
operation point of view, whether it's AutoCAD or it's 3D SolidWorks or
Hmm.
Siemens SolidEdge or any
Hmm.
of these uh, product, or it's Altium for the electrical,
Hmm.
you get uh, you get the data that you need for producing the part and maintaining it.